Pydantic AI agents provide a streamlined interface for interacting with large language models, encapsulating the complexities of LLM communication within a single, manageable object. This allows developers to focus on defining agent behavior and interaction patterns rather than low-level API details. The following code demonstrates initializing an agent and conducting a multi-turn conversation by passing message history between successive run sync calls to maintain conversational context.
From Pydantic AI import agent. Agent equals agent opener, GPT-5, 2. Hash first run. Result 1 equals agent. Run sync who was Albert Einstein. Print result 1, output. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist. Hash second run, passing previous messages. Result 2 equals agent, run sync. What was his most famous equation? Message history equals result 1. New messages, hash 1. Print result 2, output. Albert Einstein's most famous equation is E equals mc2.
This code demonstrates how to maintain conversational context across multiple agent runs in Pydantic AI. By passing the message history from a previous agent run sync result to a subsequent call, the agent retains memory of prior interactions, enabling coherent follow-up questions. This pattern is crucial for building stateful conversational AI applications where the model needs to reference earlier parts of a dialogue. The new messages method of the run result object extracts the relevant messages from the completed run, which are then supplied as the message history parameter to the next agent run sync call. This explicit message passing ensures that only the necessary conversational context is carried forward, preventing the model from losing track of the conversation's flow. This approach offers fine-grained control over context management, allowing developers to decide precisely which parts of a conversation are relevant for subsequent interactions. Let's break it down.
From Pydantic AI import agent.
Imports the agent class from the Pydantic AI library, making it available for creating AI agents.
Agent equals agent opener, GPT-5, 2.
An agent instance is created and assigned to the variable agent, configured to use the OpenAI GPT-5 2 model.
Result 1 equals agent. Run sync who was Albert Einstein.
Calls the run sync method on the agent object with the string, who was Albert Einstein. As input, executing a synchronous agent run and assigning the resulting run result to result 1.
Print result 1, output.
Prints the output attribute of the result 1 object to the console.
Result 2 equals agent, run sync. What was his most famous equation?
Calls the run sync method on the agent object, initiating a synchronous execution with the prompt, what was his most famous equation? The result of this execution is then assigned to the result2 variable. Ultimately, Pydantic AI agents simplify LLM interaction by centralizing communication within an agent object. The core pattern demonstrated here is how to maintain conversational context across multiple synchronous agent run sync calls. This is achieved by explicitly passing the message history from a previous run result new messages method to the subsequent run sync call. This ensures that the agent retains memory of prior interactions, enabling coherent follow-up questions and allowing developers fine-grained control over which parts of a conversation are carried forward. This explicit context management is crucial for building stateful conversational AI applications, as it prevents the model from losing track of the dialogue's flow, making each interaction contextually aware.
Agent recalls, but each run sync rebirths dialogue, message history, his only thread from oblivion.